yam. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. So in this video I want to prepare pepper soup, tilapia pepper soup and yam. Okay, so this is my ingredients we want to use for the pepper soup. So this is small pepper, okay, this is negro pepper, this is alligator pepper. You see, this is this pepper. So and pepper soup spice, season cubes, scent leaf, this is idon fruit, this is aridon in Yoruba side, okay. Here the English is idon fruit, okay. So I have my bay leaf, crayfish, scotch bonnet, garlic, ginger. So this is my tilapia fish, salt, yam. I have nutmeg inside this, nutmeg powder inside this rubber, okay. So as we want to prepare our tilapia and yam pepper soup, so already set up the fire. I want to blend the powder. I need some pepper. Negro. So I want to blend it. yam. So, beautiful people, please help me to subscribe for more video. Subscribe for help me. Thank you. Beautiful people, I want to put the done fruit inside the pepper soup. So I want to wash this. This one is okay. Okay. Sesame gives pepper soup spice with crayfish. Salt. Bay leaf. Nutmeg powder. Wow, I can feel the aroma of this pepper soup. Mwah. Subscribe for more video. This is delicious. So this food will be delicious. So, beautiful people, I want to add scent leaf. So this is our pepper soup, tilapia with yam pepper soup. So beautiful people, it's ready, Lord. This is our big pot of pepper soup. This is nice. This is delicious. So beautiful people, thank you very much for watching. This is our pepper soup with tilapia and yam. Okay, So this is super delicious. Share, like, comment. See you where we'll be eating our delicious pepper soup tilapia fish with yam. Okay, subscribe for more video. Bye bye.